Yes, he is.
Yeah.
Forward trot. Bigger jump, a little more impulsion this time. Sit, crack. Good. Pick them up just a little bit. Sit into your hand. There you go. Good work. Get the 5 done. Get it done early. Oh, turn it in, done early. Go right that far today. Love the ride in there. Actually, I think you need to settle a little bit. Yeah. I mean, it's inside, it's about 3 feet short, so that's good. That means that you're on your proper step for Saturday. I love the forward ride in. That was excellent. And whoa. Good job, Ilya. All right, very good.
Good gal.